Alright guys, so back here working on the axle. The other day my brother came by and did some welding on it. Welded the 9-inch ends on the axle. Looking pretty good. Those look like some good strong welds. For a little backyard mechanic, they're pretty decent. I'm pretty happy with them. They'll get the job done. Decided to weld the tubes on as well. Make sure that that won't be slipping out anytime. Seen that happen before, so we don't want that. But yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit of grinding, get a little extra rust off of it, and then we're gonna spray her with a coat of paint. Camera's in the downwind position of the paint. I'm getting paint on the lens, hopefully not. Try to paint and video at the same time, see how that's gonna work. Should probably take those bolts out. Want to get as much paint on this thing as I can. I'm gonna rust proof it. Well, I guess we'll let it dry and start putting it together and put it on the truck. Alright, so been working on the next thing. So these Caltrac clamps that go on the bottom of the axle. Basically the leaf spring sits up on that perch. These go on the bottom. I had to grind them out a little bit because they were designed for the 8.5-inch axle, which is over here, and the 8.5-inch has a smaller tube diameter. So I ground them out a little bit, which now you can see. Actually, you can't even tell that much. It's a little bit loose. They didn't need a whole lot, but I had to do some grinding on it anyway. So I think this axle is ready to go in. I also already got the Caltrac, I don't know what you call these, but I got those babies installed. Worked out pretty good. Need to wipe some of that grease off yet. And I get questions all the time. How did you drop your truck? Everybody's always doing those questions. Well, I have 4-inch drop leaves along with 2-inch shackles. See if I can get in there. It's not picking it up too well. It's pretty dark in there. But 2-inch drop shackles and 4-inch drop leaves. And that's what I did in the back to drop it. So yeah, I'm gonna get the axle mounted up in here. Go from there. All right, well guys, we got the axle in. Or at least it's bolted up. Caltrax, just need to put the bar on there yet. And they will be ready to go. Now, I actually had to extend my shock on my last truck, so I think I'm gonna have to on this one as well. It's like it's just about 2 inches away or so when it's all the way down, which I could just lift it up and hook it up, but see, on my last axle I made an extension there, or actually my brother did. So looks like it's gonna be the same on this 14 bolt. So I guess I'm gonna do that yet. The rear one should work. Right now it's compressed. That's why it looks like it's not long enough, but if I pull it down, it'll reach. So yeah, we'll see how the rest of the week goes. That's all I'm gonna do for today. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.